today's video, I'm making a ocean theme or a beach theme resin art with baby birth details using a resin art kit which I bought from Amazon recently. So that kit contains a epoxy resin, its hardener and some plastic cups, a measuring cup. These cups are for mixing resin and the hardener. So the small cups we can use for different colors. It contained a small packet of mica powders and some other pigment. I bought some natural stones from the local shop. I think natural sand or colored sand will also look pretty on a beach theme. I got a coaster mold along with this resin art kit from Amazon, but in addition to that I bought a tray mold which I used for making this baby birth details using resin. Before mixing the resin, we have to clean the mold perfectly. For that, I am taking a masking tape and sticking all over the mold so that any dust or any particles which is on the mold will get stick onto the masking tape and the mold will be perfect for the resin casting. The mixing ratio of resin and hardener may vary from brand to brand. The resin which I got has a mixing ratio of 2:1, that is 2 parts of resin to 1 part of hardener. I forgot to wear gloves during this process. You should definitely wear a mask and gloves during the whole process. And the thing to be noted is the resin is a chemical compound and the mixing of resin and a hardener causes fumes which is not good even for adults. The resin art cannot be done outside. Only thing you have to do is you can open the windows so that fresh air come in and out. Now I am taking a small portion of the resin which I have already mixed and kept to the stones, and I am putting the stones on the mold. Using the wooden sticks, I am spreading these stones evenly on the lower side of the mold. I really love the turquoise color of the beach. So for that I am mixing 2 shades of turquoise, where in one the green shade is more and in another one the blue shade is more. Since this is a baby birth details frame and if you are planning to preserve the umbilical cord, then the umbilical cord should be free from moisture. So for that you should keep it in an airtight container with 2 or 3 silica packets so that all the moisture get absorbed. And in a small cup, don't forget to mix the white shade for the waves. We have to mix the resin at least for 5 minutes until the compound changes to a very clear transparent form. The mixing should not be in a vigorous manner since it may produce air bubbles in the resin. This resin art kit which I bought from Amazon is perfect for the beginners because exactly what all we want is in the kit itself. We don't have to buy anything from outside. I just bought this stones, and if you want sand then that also you can buy from outside. Nothing else you have to buy from outside. Don't bring babies to the room where you are mixing this resin because it may produce fumes which are not good for their health. Now I am pouring the darker shade of turquoise. I have added some colored sand to both the shades of turquoise. You will get the photos and whatever details you are going to add on this resin cast from the nearest studio, with or without the background. I prefer without background since I have to project the beauty of the beach theme resin cast. Now I am pouring the next shade on top of the first layer. This is a continuous process and the first layer is not dried till now. The photo and the color prints which I used for this resin cast priced around 200 Indian rupees, and the resin art kit from Amazon was around 1300 Indian rupees during that time. I will put the link in the description box of all the items which I have bought from Amazon. Now I am pouring the white pigmented resin portion. I am trying my best to make it look like a wave. In some portions we have to make the white pigment a little bit thick, and in some portions it should be very thin. You can use a straw to blow onto it so it look like a wave, like it will be fading onto the back side. Or you can just use the wooden stick and spread it so that it look like fading onto the back side. I am totally a beginner in resin casting, not an expert, but ultimately this came out really nice, so I thought I will share this with my friends. This is the first layer, and once it is dried, we can add all the birth details of the baby. Just add a tacky tape or a double-sided tape onto the clear prints or the photos which we received from the studio. Arrange it in the way you want and pour one coat of clear resin on top of it. And that's it, we are done. So this is how the final product looks like. If you like the video, show me some love by subscribing to the channel. Take a look at the product links in the comment sections. If you have any thoughts regarding the video, throw it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.